This is probably going to be Dyson's most reliable corded upright cleaner ever. After refurbishing it, I can fully understand why you said this is it, no more. We don't need to innovate any further. The Dyson UP22 Light Ball is done. Let's have a look at how it came out. Yes, hello my vacuum cleaner chums, how are you today? Yes, this is the porridge of the Dyson world, to be quite frank with you. It is the DC40 Mark III, I suppose, building heavily on the tried and trusted DC40 base, but with pretty much everything tweaked ever so slightly, but not enough to cause many difficulties. You can fit this bin onto a Dyson DC40, but you cannot do it the other way around, as we showed you that anyway, didn't we? So we don't care about that. And I haven't got that Dyson DC40 anymore, so we cannot do it again. It is all clean and lovely. Inside here, the filter came up like absolute new, brand new there. That was perfectly nice. Struggling of things to say really. If you take it apart, ooh, it's all new now, it's not going on properly. There we go. If you ever stripped and refurbished a DC40, this is incredibly familiar territory. The hose end on the machine is the same as well, although obviously this part very much isn't. It's a nice washed up hose, came up well. Like I said, I don't think this machine was used badly for long. It just didn't take kindly to it, which is probably what saved its life. Bless it. Oh, now I'm going to get... Not a huge fan of this wand arrangement, but equally, I might just not be used to it. And then on to the star of the show, which is basically this head. It came out really, really well. Ever so nicely. It fills with fluff. All this back part here was full of fluff and detritus, and I think that's going to be what's going to cause a lot of these to start falling over very shortly. But does it work any better? We have ourselves a spotless bin and a clean looking rug. Let's see what comes out. I can feel it pulling the pile, and that's just on the automatic setting. I do like these, they are very deep cleaners. On that little tiny run around the rug, look, I've now got to clean this out again, and we have a heck of a lot of detritus. Also works fairly well on the deeper pile carpet as well. On a very cold and still rolled up deeper pile, does it cope just as well? Oh, yeah, it does. Not doing a deep job. Here again. Oh. No, this carpet, bless it, it's very dense. The whole cleaner head is skimming the top of it. I mean, it's still picking up a fair bit of dirt. You could do worse, but yeah, probably more suited to a low to medium pile carpet as opposed to deep pile. But yeah, this is the £199.99 Dyson that you would buy if you needed an vacuum cleaner for under £200. And to be honest, you could do worse, because Dyson have always been better at bagless technology, as much as people like to debate it. And what you have here is tried true DC40 technology that's been fully paid off, so they can rattle these out with minimal design changes, just updating the head for modern use. And yeah, it'd be a nice little leader for them. So you do get a fair bit of, you know, it's not a brand new design that's going to have issues like the V10 and the V11, where it is basically just a DC40 Mark III. Very good for it, it is too. So, hope you've enjoyed. I'm sure the younger Dyson collectors, this is probably going to be one of the machines that you're going to grow up with and be familiar with. Who knows, maybe in 20 years we'll be talking about them like they're a really rare DC04. Who knows? Sure, we'll find out. But until then, but not this Dyson, which I've now got to clean out again, will see you soon. Bye bye.